Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this flow water. This is alkaline spring water, and this one is flavored cucumber mint. Okay, so it's just flavored water. Here's the, if you guys want to read it, pause it. Basically, we got natural spring water, organic flavor. Pretty much it. So let's do a quick taste test. Ooh, this one's pretty good. It has a nice taste to it, like a nice strong cucumber. You don't taste the mint so much; it's more subtle, and it doesn't have the aroma like the elderberry or elderflower one has, but it tastes better than the other one. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.